Today we're going to create a super cool motion blur effect on your photos, and all this by using Photoshop. So if you're ready, just launch your Photoshop and let's do some editing! So on the screen you can see the photo we are going to work on today, and at the beginning of any editing process, just duplicate the layer. This action will help us to save original photo untouched, and in the case you will have any mistakes in editing process, you can always come back at the beginning and start all over again. To keep everything organized, let's rename our layers. The bottom layer will become background layer. And the top layer will become a subject layer. At first we need to prepare subjects on the photo for the motion blur effect. For this, on the left menu bar, find Object Selection tool. This tool allows us to make automatic selection of any subjects or objects on the photo. And to reach the best results, on top menu bar near Select Subject button, click on arrow and choose Cloud. This function will take more time to select object on the photos, but believe me, you will be happy with the results. And we need to click on Select Subject button and just wait when Photoshop will do all work for you. When selection of subject is ready, just click on this little icon down below, which means mask, and apply it on the layer. This action allows us to hide everything on the photo besides selected subjects or objects. You can easily check it by turning off and on the bottom layer. Now just click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. So the first part of editing process is ready, and this is a good reason to subscribe on this channel if you still didn't, and put a big like to this video. Now we need to prepare our background for motion blur effect. Now we need to activate the selection of the subjects once again. For this, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard and point with the mouse on the layer. When you will see a little square icon appear near the mouse, just click on it and you will notice that selection of the subject again appeared on the photo. Next, select background layer. On the top menu bar, go Select, Modify and Expand. This action will allow us to create a little gap in a few pixels between the future selection and subjects. Here I recommend to type between 10 to 20 pixels. So I will just use 15 and click OK. If you will close up the photo, you will see a little gap appeared between object and selection. And now on the top menu bar, go Edit and Content Aware Fill. Choose Auto option and output to the new layer and click OK. With right mouse button, click on the photo and choose Deselect. Now you can see how subject disappeared from the background by turning off and on the subject layer. And by the way, if you want to learn more Photoshop techniques that will level up your editing skill, just check other tutorials on the channel. I'm sure you will find something very interesting for you. So we have everything ready for final touch on this photo. For this, select subject layer. On the top menu bar, go Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. So the angle will help you to find the best direction for the blur waves, and slider will help you to reach the best level of blur motion effect on the photo. For my photo, I will go with 0 angle and set up 60 pixels. Click OK. You already can see this amazing motion blur effect on the photo. If in the future you would like to change motion blur effect, just double click on motion blur and just play with the slider to find the better option for your goals. And that's it! I'm very happy to share with you this super cool Photoshop technique that you can use in variety situations in the future. And thank you very much for watching this video till the end. From you a big thumb up, and from me many new editing tutorials in the future. See you very soon, stay in touch, bye bye!